In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your sound problems on your Lenovo laptop. So if you're getting low volume on your audio or just no audio whatsoever, then I'm going to show you a few ways you can go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you want to do is just come down to the taskbar on your computer, go and right click on the volume icon and click on sound settings. Now, next to output, you need to go and select your laptop speakers or headphones. So you can see I already have my Realtek speakers selected here, and you want to make sure the volume slider is turned up like so. We're then going to scroll all the way down and click on more sound settings. Go and click on this playback tab, and you need to go and locate your laptop speakers or headphones. So mine's these speakers at the top here, and what you need to do is make sure these are enabled. So you can see mine currently have this green tick by them, and that indicates that they are working and they are turned on. So to go and enable your speakers, simply just right click on them and click on enable. You also need to make sure they're set as the default device by clicking on them and clicking this set default button. Now once you've done that, go and right click on your speakers and click on properties. Then click on advanced and uncheck this option here where it says allow applications to take exclusive control of this device, and then you can go and press apply and OK. We're then going to come back over to properties, click on advanced, and you can try changing this option down here, enable audio enhancements. So if you currently have this turned on, then you may want to try disabling this and checking if that fixes your audio. Just bear in mind that once you've changed this, you'll need to press apply and OK. And if that doesn't fix the issue, you can try turning it on, and you can also test to see whether that makes a difference. Now, another thing you can try here from this window is changing this default format. So typically you want to have this set to the highest number of hertz available, and you can click on this green test button to check if your speakers or headphones are working. Now once you've made all of these changes, make sure to press apply and OK. Now if that's still not working, the next solution is to open up your start menu and just search for services. Go and click on the services window, and now scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see a service called Windows Audio. Once you've found this, double click on it, make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and then press apply and OK. You're then going to right click on this service and click on restart, and just make sure the service is running like so. Then close out of this window, head over to your start menu and search for device manager and click on the device manager window. Click on the drop down arrow next to audio inputs and outputs. Go and locate your speakers from this list and right click on them and click on update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers, and if you already are running the latest drivers, you can press search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Now just go and ensure you're running the latest version of Windows on your computer. You can press this check for updates button here and go and install any outdated software. Now the final thing you can do is right click on your speakers again, click on update driver, click on browse my computer for drivers, and click let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Go and select audio endpoint and press next. Now once you've installed that, once again you can check to see if your speakers or headphones are working, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.